What's good? What's good? What's good, my beautiful people? It's your boy Jay. Luxury Hustle Mentorship, the opportunity plug. How you? What's goody? What's good? Hey guys, I'm excited. I'm very excited today. First off, it's Friday. But guys, I wanted to talk to you about something that is about to really change some things here up in 2019, and I wanted to introduce this to you guys here before this really takes off. You know how they say you want to get in groundbreaking before things really get viral and really get hot. Guys, this is starting to blow up here, and this is not any just new program or anything that I'm promoting, guys. This is an actual training, another training program that I'm actually doing. So it's not anything as far as, weight loss or marketing systems or anything like that. It's particularly training here, and it's up-to-date training. It's new methods and masterminds being added literally in a vault of training here. And we're affiliates here, so pretty much here we have reseller rights. Okay, so once I came in, it gave me the reseller rights to go out here and also talk to others about this training, and when they decide that they want to partake in it, then it pays me out a $250 commission instantly. And what they're doing here is you can do it via Stripe, Authorize.net, or PayPal, which PayPal, I think they said is going to be rolling out here on the 1st of December. Some people like PayPal, some people don't. Okay, but in this training, they're going to pull back the curtains on everything. Tammy, the actual owner of this business here, who it's about, is Tammy Montgomery. Okay, Tammy is going to pretty much show you how to do this thing from the bottom all the way up to the top. I mean, she literally shows you how to make a $250 commission within 72 hours, guys. The training that she has in the back office, the mastermind training that is uploaded. I love the community with this program here, guys. I kind of checked it out. My sponsor, I've watched him for. Okay, so pretty much here, guys, the training here. This is one of the Craigslist trainings that Tammy talks about as far as how you can get massive people into your business, and this is training that can be used with any type of program that you're promoting. So Fearless Momma, no, it's not a program. It's not anything where they're offering a physical product that you're going to go and use. No, it's a digital training. Like a lot of other programs that I talk about, guys, this is a digital marketing platform. I mean, a digital training that's going to teach you the ins and the outs of marketing. And with the methods that she has, you're going to see why I'm so excited about this particular program, guys. As you can see right here, this is my upline, actually, Ontarian. I've been following Ontarian for a very long time, and this guy is killing it when it comes to making money online. So I wanted to kind of share with you guys here some payment proof that people are making. So here's one showing. Here's Tammy showing she had a $12,000 week. Ontarian, another $250 member. I'm gonna just kind of scroll down for you guys here. Here's another one where he says $250. Just keep scrolling. The mastermind, guys. This is a beautiful group. I love it. Let me keep scrolling. So $250. Tammy's kind of putting up proof there. Mary Beth, she's welcoming someone to the group. Ontarians welcome someone to the group. Tammy. So it covers a lot of things, Facebook ads, Craigslist. I mean, we're literally pulling the cover back so you can see how this is being done. That's what a mastermind is called. That's why it's called a mastermind. Everyone's getting together and they're masterminding on what works. And when you're a part of this, you're going to get those same strategies. If you're looking to make money online, the number one thing that you need to do is know how to market. That's literally what we're teaching you how to do, is how to market in these business. So many people say, hey, I want to join, but I don't know how to get people into my business. You wouldn't understand how many people tell me, I don't know a lot of people. I don't know how to get people in my business. What is it? What is it that you guys are doing? Guys, this type of program is going to show, she's showing it to you, okay? Now, I don't want to go in the back office and show too much, and that's why I'm trying not to go through everything, because I have my sponsor's phone number. I have a lot of information that can show on that end, so I don't want to show a lot of that particular information. But, okay, sorry about that, guys. Had a call to come through. But I wanted to kind of take you through here, so just to kind of show you how easy this is. and you can really see exactly what's going on. So when you first, enter your information, your email, you're going to be taken to a page which is going to, show you exactly how to earn $250 commissions. Okay, this system is so simple. It's only 3 steps. Okay, lead flow. We show you how to get the leads in, which is through the masterminds. Collect your cash, and boom, you're good to go. Now here's a couple more proof pictures of people that's gotten a lot of commissions here lately, and like they mentioned, this is not your normal MLM deal. No, it's not from 1984. And we say 1984, that's kind of funny to me because that's the year I was born. Some people say it's a baby, but hey, I'm okay. 1984, we 80s babies, okay? Now, this system, I've shown you guys, people are making money over and over and over again. So you sign up, collect your checks, you get paid. Collect your payment, you get paid, okay? So as you can see, Tony Torres is actually saying 250. Bruce showing he made 250. And here's the thing here, and this is why I say here, you're getting a vault full of training here, 10 years plus of knowledge, of secrets, literally of letting you know exactly how people are making money. And just to let you know some of the modules here, where she's going to show you how to get started and go from 0 to 100K. Okay, 0 to 100K. Most people can't even make $5 in their business here. Okay, so you're going to learn how to create a new paradigm shift. If you pretty much, this is more of mindset as well. See, a lot of people don't have mindset. So a lot of this also reminds you of the mindset that you need to have as far as if you're going to be in this business here. So we're going to talk about a lot of that first when it comes to this business here. So just sharing with you the modules, guys. Just some of the stuff that you're gonna see. And I told you I didn't want to take you through the back office. So what I'm doing is showing you one of the pages that has the information here. Okay, my magic transformation from my couch to 5K run. So this is showing you guys information. So she utilized these particular secrets and strategies towards her business, and these are the same strategies and secrets that you can use towards your business. So you don't necessarily have to be in weight loss. You don't necessarily have to sell the new lotions and potions. You can have digital products. You can have marketing systems. There's things that you can have and utilize these same exact strategies that she's teaching you in this business here. Okay, so just covering some of the modules on here. As you can see, it's a lot of good modules here. And then she even gives you bonus trainings as well as far as how to do this here. So the bonus training is very cool. I like that one. That's the one that's showing you how to make your first 250 within 72 hours, guys. So once you get in, you definitely want to check that out more than anything because it's going to give you everything you need to know. So you get all the bonuses here as well when you take a look into this business here with us here. Your frequently asked questions, everything. Okay? So guys, here's the thing. I'm going to leave my information down here for you to check it all out. So I want you guys to actually get involved here. Okay, so you can see exactly how I'm doing this, what we're doing, and then you can take action as well. Okay, so I'm going to leave my information for you to check it out at the bottom. This your boy Jay. Hope you guys have a beautiful and blessed weekend. I'm out. Peace.